Hey guys, I have a very important announcement to make, and it is where to start. I'm gonna move to a new house. Yes, I'm gonna move to a new house, which also means I am gonna shift and move my current studio to a new room. So it's a very big step for me and for my family, and I am really excited to go in my new house and a new studio where I'll be creating my future content, future videos. In fact, one of the very big reasons to move is so that I'll have a bigger space to create my studio first, and then to create more ambitious projects. I'll have a much bigger room what I have right now here in this studio. So ultimately I'll have a lot more space to work in and to create videos, drawings, and overall content. So it's been more than 2 years since I started my YouTube channel, Irish Pencil Art, and since then this has been my workplace where I created videos, drawing, and most of the videos were created here in this room, in this studio. So this studio is my first ever studio. I've created so many videos here, so many drawings, so I've spent so many hours creating content, creating videos in this room, inside this studio. It's been such a beautiful journey with all of you here on my channel. I mean, this place is where Irish Pencil Art was born. This channel was born, this beautiful community was born. So I have a lot of fond memories here in this room, in this studio. This means so much to me. It is very close to my heart. So basically this tonight is our last night here, my last night in my first ever studio, which was this one. And yes, I am gonna leave this room, leave the studio forever. This is actually my last chance to share the studio with you guys, because it will be gone forever. Finally, let's do this. I'll take you guys in a sort of tour. It's not a very big studio, but it is my first ever studio, so I want to share the studio with you guys in this video. Without wasting any more time, let's get started. So behind this magical door there lies my first ever studio, Irish Pencil Art's first ever studio, where I created all of my videos and which videos you guys have seen. So are you guys ready? I hope you are. Alright, let's get a look. Hello! I hope you guys are able to see. That's pretty much it. That is my small room where I have my first ever studio, my setup, as you can see, camera, my laptop, mic, speakers, and a lot of space to draw and to create drawings, videos, and so this is the place where I created all of my drawings. These are just a few of my drawings. There are so many more drawings which I created, which you guys already know of. Yeah, this is my room, this is my studio. So let's get a closer look how it really is, where I created so many of my videos. This is my drawing wall. These are now old drawings. So let's have a closer look to my drawings. That's Kakashi Obito, Naruto Sasuke, Goku, Naruto Kakashi Minato, Jiraiya, and Hiruzen. And here we have a manga drawing framed. This is one of my favorites, so I really like this one, how it looks as a framed work, just black and white, classic. Goku Super Saiyan Blue, Naruto Sasuke, Vegeta Super Saiyan Blue, Naruto, and again a black and white drawing. Madara, of course, Madara, one of my favorite characters from the series, Naruto, Boruto, and finally stain. So these drawings are my older drawings, not my recent ones. Recent ones are a lot better, but I still didn't change it because I wanted to see. I mean, waking up every day and seeing this wall reminds me that how better I've got in drawing, how much I've grown over the years. So it's like good to watch my older drawings each and every day too, and it always reminds me of how far I've come. I mean, drawing wise. And I mean, coloring, sketching, inking, everything. I see so many mistakes here in these drawings, but still they are like one of my favorites because I have so many memories with these drawings. So yeah, that was my drawing wall. And now let's have a closer look to my view of when I create videos, which is my proper setup. All right, so let's start with my chair. That's my chair. That's where I sit. I call it my YouTube chair. That's my pretty YouTube pillow. And here I sit here and I draw here. That's my laptop. And of course, don't forget my Copic marker set. A, B, and C set. I use all of the colors from here, from these three sets. That's my pretty water bottle to drink water, and this is my stand to record videos. Most of my drawing videos I've recorded through my mobile, though I would not suggest a mobile to record your videos. It's always better to record with a DSLR or a camera rather than mobile. But I'm very soon gonna upgrade to a better camera, a proper DSLR, which will give me a much better video quality, because I really personally I don't really like the footage which my camera from mobile captures. It is not correct most of the times. I mean, the colors it captures, it's not correct. So I really want to upgrade, and I will very soon, probably after moving on to my new house. But so far I have only used my mobile to record my drawing videos, and so far it's been good. But for future I definitely want to upgrade, and I will. Now let's have a look on the opposite side of me, from my view, how it looks when I record my videos. Alright, here we go. So this is what I see when I record my videos. I look there in my camera. That's Canon. Let's have a closer look. That's my camera, and it is EOS 1100D model, which is the oldest camera which you can ever find. It is, I guess, 2010 or 11 model, so it is really old, because cameras, as you all know, cameras are really expensive, and this camera was of my dad, so I borrowed from him, and I'm still using it as my own camera. This is not really suitable for creating videos, recording videos, because it's such an outdated camera, but because I have nothing else better, so for now, so far I have only recorded myself through this camera. But I really want to upgrade very soon. And these are my beautiful lights, which put light on my face, and so that I look pretty presentable, visible more importantly. And let's have a closer look to my setup. These are my Copics. These two are my lovely cups where I keep all of my materials, art materials, pencil, markers, white liners, which I often use in my drawings, pencils again, markers, my G pen, and my YouTube sketchbook, of course, where I drew few of my drawings like this one, or where I designed my own character. This was my first attempt. And finally, this is Cory, my first original character. So yeah, this is my YouTube sketchbook where I do rough sketches, and this is my planner where I plan and schedule my timing, manage my time. So this is really helpful. And this is just a plain calendar I do have to fill for the April, which I will when I shift. And here as you can see, it is I recently got this, which is air can, and I'm gonna use this for my future videos when I'll be using Copic airbrush. And this is my AirPods when I want to listen to music, especially when I'm editing. This is really helpful. And also my JBL Extreme 2 speaker. I really love the sound quality of the speaker, my baby. And of course my laptop. This laptop is also very old, and also this laptop is not my laptop. This was actually my father's laptop, but then I borrowed from it, and now I'm using it as of my own. So this laptop, we got this in same 2012, I guess. This is such a old version of iMac. You will not even find this one with the specs it has in market now. But I mean, this is where I edit my videos, and so far it's been manageable. It's been okay that to work with. But I would also love to upgrade very soon in future to edit my videos even faster and even better. So yeah, so far I've been using this one, and here we have my lovely, which I recently got couple of months ago. This is Blue Yeti. It's one of the best you can get, so I really love the sound quality of this. And there is my guitar. I sometimes like to play guitar, so yeah, that's just for recreation. And here, if we look, this is basically just a chair where I keep my Wi-Fi router and all the plugins of my lights, charger, because I had no place actually to keep this and sort of keep all the where all the cable goes. So I just kept it above the chair, and since then it has always been like this. Let's see what's inside these drawers. And when we open it, yeah, ta-da! These are the touch soft markers I had used earlier in my videos. Now I have not used, but I still kept it because I'm gonna use them for my future videos. I want to create more content with these. And of course my refills, Copic refills. This is just an alcohol, pure alcohol bottle. Helps me to clean markers whenever I need. And some post-it pages, some eraser, charcoal eraser in there, ink, white ink and manga ink, and this is sponge tape. Yeah, that is my first drawer. And some more art supplies, markers, pencils, and other art supplies, a cloth to clean my desk whenever I want, Prismacolor pencils, and yeah, some more art supplies in there. And finally the last drawer where I keep all of my paperwork. I mean the drawings, and my YouTube play button is here, all of my diaries, my older drawing books which are filled right now, so all the paperwork is here. Also the half emptied air can that's still there. So, and yeah, that is pretty much it of my setup. Nothing very complicated. It's very basic. It's only the equipments I need to create videos which I do in my channel. So nothing flashy, nothing beautiful as of now, because this was my first ever studio ever of my life. So I only got the things which I really need for usage to create my videos and my drawings on my channel. And yeah, here if you see, this is actually my bed. Yes, that is that is my bed, because I also sleep here, and that is because I have AC here. Yeah, in this room we have AC. In outside room, in hall we don't, so that's why I sleep here, because it's much more comfortable when you sleep with a room with an AC. So yeah, that's why I sleep here only. So you can say this is my bedroom and my studio. This has been, like I said, the camera is of my dad. It was my dad's laptop. Later on recently I got this mic for good quality sound, but before that I had a very bad and cheap one. That's why
the sound quality was not good, and a lot of you guys also used to say why is the audio so bad in your videos. That is because I didn't have any money at that time to get a good one like this, an expensive one. So I had to use whatever I had at that time.
Now this is where I draw, and just below it I keep my sketchbook, drawing papers, with my drawing board. Yeah, this is my drawing board, and I have still not cleaned the ink from the last drawing I made here, so that's why that's there, orange from Naruto last drawing. But yeah, this is a very nice transparent, very big drawing board. I really love this one. I'm still using this. So yeah, all of my sketchbook are just below my working desk. So it goes in, and that's done. Ta-da!
And I was really proud of this studio. I have a lot of fond memories here in this room, in the studio, and I will never be able to forget those memories. It's been more than 2 years of journey here, creating videos and creating content, and it's been really beautiful. It will be really difficult for me to leave this place tomorrow, because tomorrow we will be moving, but there are some things we need to do to go to the next level and to create even bigger and better things. The sound quality of this recording will not be as good as my usual videos, because this I'm recording again from my mobile and I'm not using any professional audio equipment. So yeah, so this might be bad. Only for this video though. So yeah, that's the end of my first ever studio tour. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to drop a like if you like the video, and if you're not part of the channel yet, then subscribe for more awesome future drawing videos, art related content, challenges, and so much more. And that is a wrap of my studio tour, of my first ever studio tour. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.